Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have editor access and the new owner's Google email. If you're the owner, sign in with that account. Open the sheet, click Share, then Share Settings. This starts the ownership change flow. Once done, add the new owner as an editor if they're not already listed. Make sure to pick the correct account. Ownership transfers are tied to Google accounts, so a wrong email blocks completion and wastes time. Next, find the person you want to transfer to in the Share dialog and click the role drop-down beside their name. Choose Transfer Ownership. Google will show a prompt explaining permission and sharing changes. Read it. Once you confirm, the role flips from editor to owner, and you lose some controls. If you don't see Transfer Ownership, make sure the recipient is a Google account and your file is stored in My Drive rather than a shared drive or restricted folder. Finally, verify the change by reopening Share Settings and checking that the new person is labeled owner. That completes removal of your ownership. If the transfer ownership option is missing, make sure the file isn't on a shared drive, the recipient uses a Google account, and no domain policy blocks transfers. If domain restrictions apply, contact your workspace admin to allow transfers. Once resolved, repeat the transfer step and confirm the owner label. Then you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.